Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing this hair tutorial for you guys on these really curly, tight, bouncy curls. So if you would like to see how these curls happened, just keep watching. So I will start with telling you about my curling iron. I did mention it in my last hair tutorial. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it down below if you're interested, because this one comes with 3 barrels. This one's the medium one and this one's the biggest one, and I've used both of these on my hair, but I've never used the thinnest one. So I figured why not do a video and see how it comes out. So it'll be a first for you and me, because I don't know how my hair will look with this one. But I already sprayed this on my hair, the 𝐏𝐃𝐃 heat protected spray. This is what I use when I curl straighten my hair. So I already put that in my hair. So I'm gonna start parting it, because I start from the bottom up. I just grab a clip and I clip it up there. Does look a little crazy, but it is what it is. So parting my hair. So I'm pretty excited to see how it's gonna come out, honestly. So I'm gonna start and twist this. Pretty sure the curls are gonna come out super tight. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna take me a long time, but we'll see how it comes out. Whoa. So we'll see how they come out, because the only reason why I've never used this barrel, to be completely honest, is because I already have a big head. I feel like I have a big head. So I feel like this would just make my head look, because the curls most likely are gonna come out really tight. So I feel like it's gonna come out really poofy. So I don't know. We'll just see how it comes out. So yeah. See that? Oh my goodness. So I'm grabbing, I don't know how big, but I'm trying not to grab as much hair, because I kind of do want them to come out a little bit tighter, just because I want to see how it's gonna come out with like super tight curls. Oh my goodness. Okay, and like I've said, yeah, I know it's a little crazy, but I've had this curling iron for like, yeah, I said like 5 years, and I've never really used this barrel. So we'll see. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna feel like my hair's gonna look like those dolls. What are those dolls called? The porcelain dolls? You know how their hair, they have like super tight curls? I feel like I'm gonna look like that. goodness, look at this. So this is how the first section looks like. And now we're on to the next one. So I'm gonna grab a little bit from here. And then a little bit from here. And I will basically do the same thing. So we'll start with on this side. Talk up a little section from the back. And we just keep doing the same thing. And I'm just like going one way, which is the back way. That makes sense. So I'm just facing them all back. And well, that is it for this hair tutorial, guys. I decided not to run my fingers through the hair because I kind of don't want that frizzy look. I kind of just like how you could see every curl like this. So I think it looks really nice, being able to see every curl. And from the back it looks really nice too. So I'll show you. This is how it turns out. So I really like how you can see. I really like how you can see every curl, so it looks pretty nice. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions regarding this hair tutorial. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.